Why does communication stand at the heart of every successful business? One might argue that it's the lifeblood that keeps all the parts of an organization working in harmony. But in today's digital era, the landscape of business communication is changing rapidly. The right communication tools can streamline workflow, enhance collaboration, and ultimately drive business growth. Consider Slack, a powerhouse in the realm of business communication. Slack offers a robust platform for instant messaging, file sharing, and team collaboration. It's designed to replace email as the primary method of communication and collaboration within organizations. Users can create channels for different topics, teams, or clients, making it easy to manage various conversations at once. And with its seamless integration with a host of other tools, Slack ensures that everything you need is just a click away. On the other hand, Microsoft Teams, a direct competitor to Slack, also offers a comprehensive suite of communication tools. Teams is not just an instant messaging platform, but also includes video meetings, file storage, and application integration. Its strength lies in its deep integration with Microsoft Office 365, making it a perfect fit for businesses already using Microsoft's suite of productivity tools. Zoom, the video conferencing tool that became a household name in 2020, is another key player. While it started off as a simple video communication tool, Zoom has expanded its features to include webinars, chat, and even phone systems. Its simplicity and reliability have made it a go-to tool for businesses of all sizes. Then there's Trello, a tool that excels in project management and team collaboration. Trello's board and card system makes it easy to organize tasks and track progress. It's not just about communication, but also about creating a visual representation of your workflow, making it easier to manage complex projects. Lastly, we have Google Workspace, formerly known as G Suite. This all-in-one platform includes email, calendar, chat, video meetings, and file storage. But what sets Google Workspace apart is its suite of productivity apps like Docs, Sheets, and Slides, which allow for real-time collaboration and editing. So, to sum up, Slack is a versatile instant messaging tool with an emphasis on channel-based communication. Microsoft Teams is a comprehensive platform deeply integrated with Office 365. Zoom is a reliable video communication tool with a range of features. Trello is a visual project management tool ideal for tracking tasks. And Google Workspace is an all-in-one platform with a suite of productivity apps. Choosing the right communication tool can make a world of difference in your business. But remember, the best tool is the one that fits your team's needs and enhances your workflow. So, take a moment to evaluate your needs and pick the tool that works best for you. After all, successful communication is key to a thriving business.